Hi there! Starting as a CIS subcontractor? Learn when professional accounting support can help you meet your UK tax responsibilities confidently.
You finished a grueling first week on a new site. You pack your tools, calculate hours, and submit an invoice for exactly £1,000. But on payday, the amount that actually hits your account is only £700. Your main contractor didn't shortchange you. That missing £300 was seized by HMRC because you failed to verify your construction industry scheme, or CIS, status before picking up a hammer. Many subcontractors don't spot this leak until they review their tax position months later. By then, the cash flow damage is already done. In the UK construction industry, the tax system takes your money first and asks questions later. A lack of early preparation burns through your working capital on day one. Welcome to Atlas Tax Advisors. We've prepared this masterclass to help UK construction workers navigate the specific realities of the 2026 and 2027 HMRC regulations. If you're a self-employed subcontractor, doing your own bookkeeping looks like a straightforward way to save £60 to £100 a month. But the construction sector is heavily regulated. A single compliance mistake can lock up 20 to 30% of your revenue at the source. Deciding when to hire a professional isn't tied to the calendar year. It depends on reaching specific revenue thresholds and regulatory shifts as your business grows. Knowing exactly where you stand on this operational timeline is the most reliable way to protect your earnings from automated tax traps. This timeline starts at 0 in the pre-trading phase. This is the window before you even step onto your first job site. Many new subcontractors want to start working immediately, so they skip the paperwork of registering for a unique taxpayer reference and verifying their CIS status. That choice triggers an immediate legal obligation for your main contractor. They must deduct a punitive 30% from the labor portion of every invoice you submit. If you are properly registered from day one, that deduction drops down to the standard rate of 20%. Skipping that initial admin step starves your new business of 10% of its working capital. Having professional help before you trade acts as a direct shield for your cash flow. As you take on more work, you reach the next critical financial milestone, the £30,000 net construction turnover mark. Hitting this specific threshold makes you eligible to apply for gross payment status. Securing this status means main contractors pay you 100% of your labor invoice, with 0 CIS deductions taken out. To qualify, you need an accountant to audit your 12-month compliance record and prove to HMRC that they passed their strict business tests. Gross payment status eliminates the grueling wait for year-end tax refunds. The money goes directly into your bank account rather than staying with the tax office for months. At £30,000, the cost of a specialist accountant is often offset by the immediate availability of that 20% deduction, capital that would otherwise sit with HMRC for up to a year. Let's push further down the road. At £67,500, you enter a danger zone, heading straight toward the hard boundary of a £90,000 turnover. Relying on manual spreadsheets or shoeboxes full of receipts falls apart here. Under the 2026 Making Tax Digital rules, HMRC requires subcontractors to use compliant cloud accounting software for their reporting. Crossing the VAT threshold also means you have to navigate the complex domestic reverse charge rules on all your construction invoices. Setting up clear digital records months before you hit this boundary is the only way to avoid the automated point-based penalty system, which issues automatic £200 fines. Ignoring this final milestone turns a growing business into a liability. VAT mistakes and automatic penalties quickly erase any money you saved by avoiding an accountant. Here is a framework to evaluate your exact situation. If you take on occasional, low-volume work for a single contractor and stay well below the VAT threshold, managing your own self-assessment with HMRC's free tools is entirely viable. The pivot point arrives when you start earning between £30,000 and £60,000 across multiple sites. At that level, operational complexity scales much faster than your income. A do-it-yourself approach transitions from a clever cost saver into a severe financial risk. Outsourcing to a fixed-fee specialist accountant typically costs between £60 and £150 a month. For that fee, you can attain gross payment status, maintain compliance with the 2026 Making Tax Digital mandates, and ensure allowable expenses like tools and travel are maximized. You are trading a minor monthly fee to get your time back, optimize your immediate cash flow, and build a solid defense against automated HMRC penalties. Contact Atlas Tax Advisors today for a personalized consultation on your specific CIS position, your eligibility for gross payment status, or your readiness for making tax digital. The right professional accountant is a strategic growth partner who ensures you actually keep the money you earn. This video provides general guidance only. Tax regulations are subject to change. Always seek professional advice regarding your specific situation.